really, really succinct, and is giant fucking monsters against giant fucking robots. One of the things I love is the Daikaiju, the genre, the kaijus that were created to do things that fascinate us, which is have incredibly huge things destroy little things. First of all, but second of that, to be absolutely honest, the concept, which is the part we cannot divulge, that Travis came up with originally, made it click with me. It's something we need to keep sort of in secrecy, but there's much more than that. I mean, the first attractor is that, but the second is the characters are great, and the conceit of the story, the revelations of where these things come from and what do they want and why, we started by saying, agreeing on one thing, we want to make it a big what if. What would happen in the real world if a 25-story high thing came out and started destroying cities? What would really happen? How would the society change? First thing that happens is they come out of the sea, so beachfront property would go down. And really, you start saying, how would the world change? What weapons do we need to develop to fight a thing like that? But we always agreed from the beginning, we wanted to keep it grounded. We didn't want a fantastical story happening in a fantastic and distant future to which we have no relationship. We wanted to make it almost the now and say, this is what would happen to our world. I really think everything that we are as fans and as geeks and as just curious minds, we ask ourselves about giant monsters and kaijus. I wanted to try and answer in the movie. Biological functions, customs, where they come from. All these things we created a whole world around that one single gigantic variable. So I think that's what I can promise. This will not be just a movie that will have spectacle and scope, although everything in the movie is about scale. Everything in the movie is about scale. But it's beautiful how it posits a very delicate little human scale problem and conflicts against a gigantic scope, scale situation. So, I'm sorry to sound that ambiguous and haiku-ish, but not what we can say to it.
Well, it sounds